A symphony of sweets. Something smells amazing. My friend's mom is baking cookies. They're chocolate chip, my absolute favorite. I think I'll go home and ask my mom if we can bake some too. I run all the way home and burst through the door. "Mom, Mom!" I yell, my voice filled with excitement. She comes out of her bedroom, her eyes wide with surprise. "What is it?" she asks, a little worried. I catch my breath and ask if we can please, pretty please, make cookies. A big smile spreads across her face. "I suppose so," she says. "Yes," I shout. First, Mom tells me to get out all the baking supplies. I grab the mixer and a big bowl, the measuring cups and spoons, and the cookie sheets. Then, she tells me to get out the recipe book. I remind her that the recipe is on the back of the chocolate chip bag. "You're right," she says with a laugh. She asks me to look at the recipe and get out all the ingredients we need: flour, sugar, and butter. We set the oven to 350 degrees. Then, we mix all the flour and other ingredients together. Finally, we add the chocolate chips. We drop spoonfuls of the yummy batter onto the cookie sheets. We set the timer for 12 minutes and sit back, enjoying the wonderful smell filling the kitchen. The buzzer rings. We take the cookies out. Oh, they look so good. We don't even wait for them to cool down. Mom and I each get a big glass of cold milk and 2 warm, gooey cookies. Yum? Want to join us?